Section 1. Warming up, getting your muscles ready. Before diving into any workout, it's crucial to warm up your muscles. Warming up is like stretching a rubber band before launching it. It prepares your body for the work ahead, reducing the risk of injuries. A good warm-up increases blood flow to your muscles and raises your body temperature. This helps your muscles become more flexible and ready for the heavier lifting to come. Remember, a proper warm-up is essential for a safe and effective workout. Section 2. Chest workout. Building a strong foundation. Now that you're all warmed up, let's move on to the exciting part. Building those chest muscles. This is where the real fun begins, and you'll start to see the results of your hard work and dedication. We'll focus on 2 effective exercises, bench press and push-ups. These exercises are fundamental and will help you develop a strong, well-defined chest. The bench press is a classic chest exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. It's a compound movement that engages multiple muscle groups, making it an efficient way to build strength. Lie flat on the bench, feet firmly on the ground. Ensure your back is in a neutral position and your core is engaged to maintain stability. Grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width. This grip will help you maximize chest activation while also engaging your shoulders and triceps. Lower the bar slowly until it touches your chest, then push it back up to the starting position. Remember to control the movement and avoid bouncing the bar off your chest. Push-ups are another fantastic exercise for building a strong chest. They are versatile and can be modified to increase or decrease difficulty. They can be done anywhere and require no equipment. This makes them an excellent option for home workouts or when you're on the go. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on the floor, fingers pointing forward. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body until your chest touches the floor, then push yourself back up. Focus on maintaining proper form to avoid injury and maximize effectiveness. Section 3. Progressive overload. Leveling up your gains. Progressive overload is the key to continuous muscle growth. It simply means gradually increasing the demands placed on your muscles over time. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. As you get stronger, you need to face tougher challenges to keep progressing. There are several ways to apply progressive overload. You can increase the weight you lift, the number of reps you perform, or the number of sets you complete. Section 4. Fueling your muscles. The power of protein. Just like a car needs fuel to run, your muscles need protein to grow. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, making it a crucial part of your diet. Make sure you're eating enough protein-rich foods throughout the day. Some great sources of protein include chicken, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, and Greek yogurt. Eating enough protein will help your muscles recover faster from your workouts and grow bigger and stronger. Section 5. Rest and recovery. Allowing your body to rebuild. This section is all about understanding the importance of giving your body the time it needs to heal and grow stronger. While working out is crucial for muscle growth, rest and recovery are just as important. Without proper rest, your muscles won't have the chance to repair and grow. When you work out, you're actually creating tiny tears in your muscle fibers. These micro tears are a natural part of the process and are essential for muscle growth. Don't worry, this is a normal part of the muscle building process. It's through these tiny tears that your muscles get the signal to rebuild and become stronger. Your body needs time to repair these tears and rebuild the muscles stronger than before. This process is what leads to increased muscle mass and strength over time. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is when your body does most of its repair work, so it's crucial to get enough rest. This will give your body ample time to recover and rebuild your muscles. Waking up refreshed and energized is a sign that your body is ready for the next workout session. Section 6. Conclusion. Your journey to a bigger chest starts now. Building a bigger chest takes time, effort, and consistency. It's not just about lifting weights, it's about dedication and pushing your limits. Remember to warm up properly, focus on correct form, and ensure your body is ready for the workout ahead. Gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. This means adding more weight, doing more reps, or trying new exercises to challenge your muscles. Fuel your body with protein-rich foods. These nutrients are essential for muscle repair and growth. Prioritize rest to allow your muscles to recover and grow. Without proper rest, your muscles won't have the time they need to rebuild stronger. Stay consistent, and you'll start seeing amazing results. Consistency is key in any fitness journey. Look for and see our products in the description. These products are designed to support your fitness goals. They can help you achieve your fitness goals faster and more effectively. From products to workout shirts, we've got you covered. Your journey to a bigger, stronger chest starts now. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the process.